Maybach tripping sessions. Today we got the special one. Pharoah Auto Investments down in Sandton. I need no say more about this store. You should ask Casper, Chris the billionaire, and the list goes on. Actually, you should ask also Offroad Africa. It was actually launched in the store. Today we got a special car. You know how we do tripping sessions, they only deal special. Today we got a V10 Lamborghini Huracan Avio. This car was made as a tribute to the Italian Air Force. Only one in South Africa, 240 in the world. You can tell by this car, it's fast. Does 0 to 100 in less than 4 seconds. This one is listed at 6.7 million, somewhere there. And it's under 4,000 kilometers. It's actually 7 million. It's actually a nice car, eh? And it's number 63 in the 240 in the world. And as you can check, the V10 is out there, carbon fiber here next to the output engine. The pipes. Need we say more? This is Pharoah. What's next door? V10 versus V10. V10 versus V10. The last generation Audi R8. This is literally when R8 was like, we chucking the bomb now, bro. This is a beauty. I'm sure you know it from, who's that guy from the Avengers? Iron Man. This is Iron Man's car. And comparing it, looking at it, both of them, it's a very tough decision. I don't even want to go to the third car because the competition will get more tough. That's how it is here in Pharoah Auto Investment. The competition is...
Yeah, that brother's starving.
We don't come here, swag. He's so... precise, fair. Tripping session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. D-Day, we're creating history here. Then we go into the Ferrari 360 Modena.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This baby it clearly shows it's an Italian beast. This side, okay. I can't really say much because it's a standard pack, it's a standard car. And go triple sessions, Rerata. This kind of like, you see this 50. This is a special one. You see, Hare, Rata, this kind of stuff. Not taking away the credit from the Ferrari. The Ferrari is still a beast on its own. It's just a standard pack, It's just a standard pack. And then Maybach S63, Cabriolet, nice. This one is for class. Here. Chopper right there. You got the chopper. V12 Maybach. 4matic. This is Pharoah is something else. We won't go to the. We'll finish with the SUVs that side.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
We should start here at the diamond side. Luma, brabus, standard, Luma. Definitely 19-inch Luma kitted up. Different from this Luma, because you can tell this is a 2023 one, and that's a 2022. You can tell by the headlights. We're moving on to the brabus. I'm even running out of breath how these things are sick. This is sick. You see that? You can't be driving an SUV and you're afraid to go to the mountains and do some little buck shooting. My comrade.
So that's what has brought me here.
Majita. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna turn around with my cameraman and a Maybach GL 600. This is my mom keys. In your vest. Remember, you're in your vest. traded in the Bentley. It's somewhere around the floors, the Bentley. He got this custom made. He's got a one of one. Pharoah Auto Investments. Pharoah Auto Investments. Okay. We're still at the diamond side. We got a V-Wagon. Standard, eh? What's the piano when they blow up? I afford a more international artist. Because this is a Luma kit. This ain't cheap stuff, but like it's got 4 pipes on it. This one's got 4 pipes on it. It's different than this one. This is just the standard. Like I said, this is 31 for higher tepaya. Then executive. Coming back to the executive, you can tell. You know how is the executive? I'm gonna take the shades for this one. VIP lights in the grill. Executive, my brother. We're not playing around here. Maserati Lavante. Maserati who neglected. It's a Lavante, but it's not just a normal Maserati. It's a Gran Turismo Sport. It's still, even if a Bromeli one, it's not really neglected. And that was Pharoah Auto Investment. Tripping Sessions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We bring you exclusivity only. Best in lifestyle. Makafula, Sims.